How to connect the hands-free wireless Bluetooth headset to an iPhone running iOS 26. There are many Bluetooth headsets out there that is similar to this design here, where there is a single button that's a multifunction button. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you get it into pairing mode so it can show up on your iPhone when you're ready to pair. And to do this, make sure it is charged with some battery life. And while it is off, you are going to press down on this button right here. So if yours is similar, hold it down like this here and keep holding it down, and you're going to see a light, but keep holding it until you see a red-blue blinking light. So most headsets are similar to this here, where they blink like that. And once you get it to do this, that means your headset is now in a pairing mode state. So now with that done, you can go into your iPhone here, go into the settings here, and from within the settings area, you can go down to the Bluetooth. And you're just gonna have to do this the first time. Turn it on, it's gonna search for nearby devices, and you would need to check the manual guide to know the name of your headset. And when you see it, you'll tap on it one time. It is going to pair up for you, and it'll tell you it's connected when it's fully connected. You'll also notice the lights are no longer blinking here. And of course, going into the info section, you can see the name of it, device type, and all that stuff here. You can also go into that and see what it is gonna be as, all right? So if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.